If you're not making six figures as a barber, you're leaving tons of money on the table. Which leaves me with one question for you. What are we doing? This video is for the barber fresh out of school who's beginning in the field, a barber who is new to the city coming from somewhere else, or the seasoned barber who just hasn't figured out how to get above that six-figure threshold. This video is for you. Most barbers struggle because they come into the barber business with an employee mindset. The thing that they often miss is this. The average person in the United States of America works a 9 to 5. They only have 1 hour. They're trying to get something to eat, travel to a barbershop, guarantee they can get in and out within 30 to 40 minutes and get back to the office in time, or they're not coming to the barbershop unless they have a strategic plan. If you want to be a barber who succeeds beyond a 9 to 5, you have to get out of this employee mindset and start thinking strategically about the target audience that you desire. I am going to show you how to do that over the rest of this video. A lot of barbers get into the field because they want the freedom and the flexibility of not being stuck in a 9 to 5. The problem though, for some, is that they never figure out how to fully take advantage of that flexibility and create the entrepreneurial lifestyle that they truly desire. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Will Stam. I built 3 barbershops right here in the Atlanta, Georgia marketplace, and then opened up ProFresh Barber Academy. Within our first 2 years, we've had 60 students join. With one of our students already opening up his first shop, I started this YouTube channel to help you go from 0 to 6 figures, 7 figures, and beyond. So the question is this problem really worth solving? Because the lazy barber, he's gonna click off, but not you though. I'm gonna dive deep in this video to make sure this can help you. Let's dive. The first question we all need to ask ourselves, right? Because we gotta have a goal in mind, is how much money do you actually wanna make, right? So for the sake of this example, let's use $2,400 a week. Now, assuming that the haircut price, the average haircut price is $40, I want you to take that $2,400 and I want you to divide that by $40. The answer you should get is 60 clients a week, okay? So once you have 60 clients a week, now we have to reverse engineer how we get there. So I'm not trying to overwork you, but here's how we fix that. $2,400 a week divided by $40 a haircut leaves you with your new number, which is 60 clients a week. 60 clients a week on a 5-day work week is 12 clients a day. I don't think that is harming anybody to think you can get 12 clients a day done. Now, once you get to 30-minute haircut services, 12 clients is roughly only 6 hours with a 1-hour lunch break and an hour just to do whatever in an 8-hour day. So let's think about this. 60 is our number, and let's work back from there. Part 2, here's what I want you to do. I want you to imagine getting 15 new leads a week. That is 3 new clients a day, right? If you pick the right barbershop to work into, whether you're fresh out of school, new to a city, or a barber that's kind of been seasoned a little bit who needs to grow, 3 clients a day should be a fair goal. If you get more than that, great. If you get less than that, then we need to evaluate some other things. But I think 3 is very valuable. And I think it's an adequate amount for you to be able to start your growth journey to 6 figures. Now, here's step 3. I want you to imagine and consider an average return rate for a new barber, either new to a city, new to this new formula of getting to 6 figures, or fresh out of barber school. Remember our goal, 60 clients a week to get us to our 2,400. Remember we said an average new client rate would be 3 clients a day, 5-day work week, which is 15 clients. For the sake of the 25%, let's just say we're getting 16, not 15, right? 1 out of every 4 is 4 new clients, is which you should be able to grow by if you're getting those 15, 16 leads every week. You should get 4 new clients every week. Now, I want you to hold that number. 4 new people every week should be your retention at a 25%, meaning you hit on 1 out of every 4. All right, so hold that 4 for a second. Now, I'm gonna show you how to get those leads in another video. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm getting you to visualize the numbers, right? Because that's all business is at the end of the day. It's pure numbers. So we're gonna go over our numbers and get our targets. Then I'm gonna show you how to go get those numbers out in the field. And once you see this thing lay out like this, you'll know how to track your own progress. That way you can stop riding the emotional roller coaster and feeling like I was hot today, I'm slow tomorrow, I can't do this. Because if you don't have stability and you don't track your numbers and you don't know what numbers you need to hit, it's hard to hit a goal that you ain't never set. Number 4, I want you to take your new number from question number 1. You remember what that is? If not, I'll tell you. It's 60. 60 clients a week is what we're trying to do. I want you to multiply that by 2. Here's why. The average customer gets their haircut every 2 weeks. So if we need 60 clients a week, we need to times it by 2. So now we know we need 120 clients because the average person gets their haircut every 2 weeks. So I want you to write that down because I want you to think about that. We're gonna come back to it in a minute. All right, here's our next step and our last final step, right? Now, remember we took that 60, we times it by 2 because the average person gets their haircut every 2 weeks. Now we have 120. Now, remember when I told you a couple questions ago that you would get 3 new clients per day or 15 new a week? How many weeks is there in a month? 4, right? So if we do 3 clients a day, 5 days a week, get to our 15, and we average that times 4 weeks in a month, now we got 60 new clients. But you also remember that 25% return rate, right? Of 1 out of every 4. So now we're growing by 15 clients a month. So 120 divided by 15. I want you to do that math. That should leave you around 8 months. I told you from 0 to 6 figures in less than 1 year. If you do this based on 3 walk-ins or 3 new leads a day, if you do this right, you stay consistent and you track it at a 25% retention rate, I personally think that if you're watching this video and you've gotten this far, you're much better than 1 out of 4. You can literally get to 6 figures and beyond in 8 months. But I told you less than 12. So you got 3 to 4 months of margin. If you follow these numbers and you stick to this plan and you watch the rest of these oncoming videos, I'm gonna teach you how to do exactly that. I want you to write me a message, leave a comment, and let me know how your progress is going. Because if I understand that this stuff is helping you, I'll create more and more and more of it, and you'll be able to get more and more results. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, make sure you watch the next video because we're gonna go further.